This is Bridget Santos, and she's going to shoot down all these cans.
If I
Do you think she can do it?
Nope.
There she is. Aiming. Shoot. Oh, she hits the first one. Wait. Oh, misses the second one. Misses the third one. Goes to the fourth one. Like. Misses the fourth one. Oh, hits the fifth one. Can she make the last one? Can she do it? Yeah, she hits it.
But now I have to go back to the second, third, and fourth.
Now she has to redo the other ones because she epically failed. She missed again. And again.
I fail.
And again. Oh! She finally hits it. And again. And again.
Epic failures.
Can she hit it? The world may never know. Oh, the last one. The last can. Oh, she does it. Finally.
This is a world of BB guns.